So we organize the 5th plenary meeting of reforming projects in Belgium and Luxembourg, where we are. So during these 2 very dense days, we discussed the last miles of the projects. It's about to close the next months. Had the opportunity to visit 2 demos. It's very interesting for everyone.
Today we are here in the plenary meeting of the reforming project in the nice demonstration number 4 Belgian demonstrator, where we are storing electricity heat into the abandoned and flooded mines that we have under our feet, and reconversion on doing to that machine in heat and electricity regarding the different necessities. So which is the most, I will say, fascinating and amazing part of this project is all the connects, all the contact that we did during the conversation, during the design process, during the brainstorming, that they bring us today with a very nice technical area, with a very nice and novelty machine that we have here. And I think this is the most great experience. I meet with the people, discuss with the people, learn from another people, and at the same time provide and give some nice and very nice product at the end of the project.